Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the weekly Forex forecasting. This is Thomas with you. Again, we came back to you, my friend. So we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities also we saw and we will enter in them. So if it's the first time of you watching us now here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on. Also, we are a channel specialized only about trading or investing in general. We put in every week one video analyzing for you the Forex market. Every day, 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all our analysis free, my friend. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free here. So as every weekend, my friend, before we even start analyzing the Forex market, we go into my browser to show you the coming news. So let's go into my browser to show you the coming news. Here it is, my friend, the coming news. As you see it, the week is going to start in 13th of September. Tuesday, in Monday, there is nothing. So in Tuesday, what we got at 6 o'clock, we got that one of UK. 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm talking here. It's unemployment rate of UK. Then at 6 o'clock, we got the harmonized index of Germany. Then at 12:30 afternoon, we got consumer price index or the inflation or CPI index of USA. So make a close eye at that one. Then in Wednesday, 14th of September, what we got at 6 o'clock, we got consumer price index of UK or inflation of UK. So make a close eye at that. Then we got President von der Leyen speech of the Eurozone. At 10:45 or 15 minutes to 10 o'clock, we got the gross domestic product or GDP of New Zealand. In Thursday, 15th of September, what we got at 1:30 after midnight, we got employment change or unemployment rate of Australia. 12:30, we got retail sales of USA. So make a close eye at those things, guys. Then in Friday, 16th of September, as you see it here, at 2 o'clock afternoon, we got Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, and that one, you need to make a close eye at it, guys, that one. So I think everything is too clear here. Let's go in back to our browser to show you more what is it there, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in our browser, guys, as you see it, that the first pair we got is the DXY or US dollar index. That one last week we used to be here in that place. I told you it's going to make a correction high. It went till here, till that zone here of 110. Then after that it fell down. And make a close eye with me here, what it given us here, like that, and like that. It give you here a head and shoulders, guys. As you see it here, that the level of the neck, and it break it down. So now my view to it, because now here in that zone, it give you here in that place a candle indicating that the market is going to reverse, and the coming news, the inflation and those things, me I think now is going to make a correction till that level here. Then after that it's going to drop. So make a close eye at it. Everything is too clear till now. Levels we got, guys. First level here, 110.773. Another level here, 109.924. Another level here, 108.730. That one here, 107.708. Those ones down, the market is far away from them. Everything is too clear till here. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, I tell it to you last week what the market give you here. I told you it give you here a divergence. Also used to be here. I told you from here it's going to go up, and that's what it did. It went up till here, till that zone. Then after that he came, he break for us that trend line. That one us withdrawing. As you see it in the chart, it hasn't break it, but here in our indicator he break it here. So when he break it, he give you here like a retracement, then he break down. So look where we are now. We touch here the oversold area. Now he going out. Now there is one of two to make a small correction to go upward till the trend line here. Then after that it will go down, because even the trend line here, if you bring down one of the divergence like that and you make it like that, it's going to come to touch it like that. Then after that it's going to drop to the oversold area again, guys, till we got here a divergence at the right time when also we will know the US dollar it will go in upward. Till now there is nothing yet. So I think everything is too clear. So that's it for US dollar index. The other pair we got is the Euro USD. The Euro USD, that one, we make an error in it. Last week we used to be here. We said it's going to fall down, but it fell down just a little bit till that zone here. Then look where we are now. And here in that one, there is something very, very, very important here. I give it to you. Look with me here. What me I'm going to draw for you here in that zone. Here and here and here. What it give you here? It give you a double bottom like that. And he break for you here in that zone here. He break for you the top of the double bottom, guys. So now what the view? You need to come, you calculating from here to upward. I think it will go up till here, till that zone here. But we got here that trend line, that long-term trend line, that one. As you see it, it's being touched a lot of times. And every time he acted like a very stronger trend line. So now what my view to it? My view to it from here, that level is going to make a small correction till here maybe. Then after that, it's going to continue going upward. Only thing, you need to make a close eye at the trend line. That way make the target only here, the trend line. Everything is too clear, guys? So the levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.02, 476. Another level here, 1.01, 240. That one here, 1.0018. That one here, 0.9888, guys. Everything is too clear till now. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it here, last week we used to be here. I told you from here it's going to fall down, but it doesn't. If it went up till here, till where we are now, he touched for us the overbought area. Then now he tried to go out. Me personally, I think it's going to fall down till here, till the oversold. But that's just a view. Another way to come down till that level here, that one. As you see it, how many times he been touched here. Look at it. Look at here and look at here. So me, I think it's going to fall down till here. Then after that, it will go in upward again. So make a close eye at that level here. Is it at the 50 here? So everything is too clear, guys. That's it for the Euro USD. The other pair we got is the cable or British Pound USD. That one last week. We used to be here in that place. I told you need to fall down to touch that trend line, and that's what it did exactly. He touched it here. If you see it here in that zone, then look what happened now. I give you here like a W as you see it here. As you see it, a double bottom, guys. And he break for you the top here in that zone here as you see it. Now what the view to it? The view to it is gone to come upward till here. Or maybe till it will touch in here the top of that channel. So make a close eye at those things, me I'm telling you guys. Everything is too clear here. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Levels we got. First level here, 1.19, 614. Another level here, 1.17, 773. Another level here, 1.16, 19. Another level here, 1.14, 866. And the last one, 1.13, 835, guys. Everything is too clear. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, are you not subscriber yet? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. And if you be a subscriber with us, smash the like button. Smash it today. I want that like button to get explosion, guys. You done it? Let's continue, my friend. That one last week we used to be here in that zone. And if you remember, we used to have here a trend line. I told it need to come back to it. And that's what it did here. He fell down here. He touched here. Then after that, he went upward. So let me show it to you here. Exactly for the picture to be more clear to you. If you see here what it done for you. Here. He went up till here and here. What it give you here? It give you here a divergence, guys. A small divergence. But here in 4 hours is very clear. As you see it. Now what the view? The view is very simple, guys. It came upward, he touched for you here, the trend line as we got. A view to it, it needs to make a small correction, maybe till just here. Then after that, it will go in upward, and I will tell you why. Because if you see the trend line of the divergence, that one, it needs to come and to touch it again. Then after that, it will go in upward again. So it's still going upward, guys. Make a close eye at those things. Everything is too clear here. So that's it for the cable or British Pound USD. The other pair we got, guys, is the Aussie or Australian dollar USD. Even that one, the same thing, guys. I tell it to you, we used to be last week here. I told you it's going to make a small correction to touch the down of that channel. Also, we got that one in the weekly. Then after that, it will go and open, and that's what he did exactly here. Look at it. He fell down here. Then after that, he went upward here. And another thing here, he gave you here, as you see it here, in that zone, a cup and handle like that. And he breaking for you the top of the cup here. So now what is it? The view. The view to it is going to continue going upward, maybe till that zone here, guys. Make a close eye at that zone. Everything is too clear. Levels we got, guys. First level here 0.7078. Another level here 0.69129. Another level here 0.68563. Another level here 167,779. And that one, the last one, 0.67032, my friend. Everything is too clear, guys. So let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, if you want to analyze like us and to trade by technical analysis, down below in the first comment there is our highly recommended course. The course is hosted in Udemy. The course, it costs $200, but if you're using the coupon link down, it's going to cost you only $13. I think it's a very good deal, and this is the price of a cup of coffee. So go to that course. It's going to teach you a lot of things, better than million of courses they sell it to you by 1,000 and 2,000 guys. Believe me when I tell you that. But it's up to you. So as you see here, the RSI, last week we used to be here. I told you it need to fall down here to the oversold. It fell down here to the oversold. When he touched here, look where he went, till the overbought area, guys, as you see it there. Now he touched here. Now my view trade, it need to fall down till that level here, that one here in the middle here. Then after that it will go in upward again, guys. So make a close eye at that level here of 50. What is going to do for you? Everything is too clear here. So that's it for the Aussie, guys. The other pair we got is USD Japanese yen. That one last week we used to be here. I told you need to make a correction tool here, but it doesn't. From here exactly stay here ranging a little bit. Then from here he went up till here. So he make a very decent profit from that one just by our analysis. Now look where we are here, because the US dollar is falling. My view to it is going to make a small correction to touch the trend line or to break it, depending on what the market is going to do. But me personally, I think it's going just to touch that trend line. Then after that, it will go in upward, guys. Look at it. Everything is too clear. Levels we got, first level here, 144.752. Another level here, 141.891. Another level here, 140.487. That one here, 139.404. Everything is too clear, guys. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to correct. It correct exactly, touch the trend line here in the RSI. Then from here, look where he went. Till up here. Now he fall down, he break for us the trend line. So now here, it need to come down to touch for us that trend line or to touch here the oversold area. Then after that, he will go in upward, my friend. Everything is too clear. So you wait in here at the oversold area. When he fall down there, you enter long, guys. So that's it for USD Japanese yen. The other pair we got is the gold, my friend. The gold last week we used to be here. I told you from here is going to make a correction till here. And that's what he did. He fell down till here as you see it. Here in that zone. Now he went upward. And here, you need to make a close eye with me. What I'm going to show you here. Look with me here. And here. And here. And here. What you see? It give you here a double bottom, guys. What that mean? That means is a very bullish signal, guys. I think now the gold is going to go higher, guys, to upward. Everything is too clear? So, as I tell it to you, now you're waiting to break here. When it's going to break here, it's going to go higher till here. Everything is too clear? Levels we got, first level here, 1775.17. Another level here, 1750.89. Another level here, 1733.34. Another level here, 1706.76. And that one here, 1684.42. Everything is too clear? So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. Last week we used to be here. Actually, it needs to fall down to touch for us the trend line. Where it touch it here. So when it touched that trend line here, look where it went, tail up here. By the way, here we got another trend line as you see it. Now my view to it, it needs to fall down to touch for us that divergence trend line, that one. By the way, if you remember, also used to have here a divergence. That's why I told you it need to make a correction. Then after that, it will go in upward. Now my view to it, it needs to fall down to touch the trend line here of the divergence. Then after that, it will go in upward till the green one here. By the way, that one is it in the weekly. So make a close eye at it, guys. Everything is too clear here. So that's it for the gold. The other pair we got it's Dragon or British Pound, Japanese Yen. And that one used to be last week here. I told it's going to break for us that trend line down. What it done here, he break it here, a fake breakout, then he went upward, he break for us the upper trend line. So it was the entry from here. Then look where it went till here and here, what you got here in that zone. Look with me very, very close, guy. What you got here? A very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it here, here, and here. Now my view to it, it needs to make a correction maybe till here to touch that trend line from up. Then after that, we'll go in upward again. Everything is too clear, guys. There is nothing complicated here. Levels we got, guys. First level here, 167.876. Another level here, 166.233. Another level here, 164.679. And that one here, 161.870. Everything is too clear, guys? So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, last week we used to be here. I told you me from here is going to fall down, but it's still respecting the trend line here. So now, what the view to it? As you see it, it touched here the overbought area. Now he went out. My view to it, it will come down to touch the trend line here. Then after that, from here, it will go in upward to the overbought area again. There is no entry short yet, unless if it given us here a divergence or something. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you are a Forex trader, see you in the next week. If you are a Bitcoin trader, see you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.